welcome to my trading channel. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down my latest trading session. I'm going to be going over the trades I took, the setups of my strategy, and how the overall session went. Spoiler alert, there's a lot of overtrading. You'll probably see it in the title of this video. But I wanted to see if you can spot the precise moment where you would have stopped in this session, because there's two moments where the session was done for, but I just kept pushing it. So let's just get into the session and see the trades. Alright, so starting up, we're coming up with a big push to the upside. Price is consolidating a little bit, so I decided to get on a long, expecting for it to move up, and I'm looking to getting out a break of highs. Now, price hit my order, but the problem with this trade was my entry order, because I placed it right in the middle of a resistance block, so I just got stuffed out for the first loss. Now, price kept rejecting that zone, so seeing that, I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna take a short then. If price is gonna reject, I'm gonna wait for it to break this lows and get into a short here. As you can see, it's ranging a little bit, but eventually it drops. It's my order. Now here I got scared because I thought I was gonna get immediately stopped out. You see how close price gets to my stop order. Then it drops again. My trail order starts moving with it. At this point, I'm trying about half an hour right now. Guess what? Ninja Trader glitches out and stopped me out. So I don't know what happened here. Was take error on the data, internet, whatever the case is. I got stopped out, so now I'm down. 2 losses into the session. I was looking for a possible long here at a push of support. I got in. Now let's see. Looks like price maybe wasn't strong enough. But then it makes another push that I need. Was ready to break even, and then I start trailing. Price keeps going higher, higher. At this point, I'm up about 2R. By the way, both of these trades, they were 3-to-1s. This one hit to take profit, so that raises my 2 previous losses and puts me up 1 on the day. And yeah, this was the first trade. I should have stopped the session. Alright, well, moving on. I went for another short here at another rejection of the resistance. Price with me, but you can actually see how it slowing down to move lower, but then eventually quickly stopping out. That was a bad idea. Why am I shorting after such a push up? Again, I'm in front of resistance, but the trend is not going lower anymore. It did went lower, however, but at that point I didn't have a setup yet. So let's see, I'm seeing price bounce again off of support, so I'm trying to get on another long at a break of highs. It didn't work, so I'm shorting the lows on a break. Now, that wasn't an actual setup. That wasn't a trade based on my strategy. I am looking for divergences, and that was just a pure price action based trade. So it gave me, about half an hour, but it wasn't really within my setups. Now, this is basically the same trade. I don't have a full setup here. I kind of have a little bit of one. I have a small bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence, and I'm showing how to break of flows, which is a setup. But again, it's not a concrete one, so the best I can get out of it is another break even. So far we're 6 trades in, 3 losses, 2 winning trades, 1 break even, and I'm still up about 0.8R, which is not bad, but I could have saved some of those profits I made earlier, or avoid some other losses by just taking quality setups. Anyway, this one looks good. I have a regular bullish divergence. I'm getting it on my break of highs. However, price did not have enough momentum on that initial push, and then I get stopped out for it. Dropping here for a little bit. We'll be testing another support level. See, we're starting to move again into a downtrend now, so I decided to go short. This is a classic retracement short setup, but here I got a little bit impatient. I first got in expecting support to then react as resistance, which it did, but not hard enough for me to get some profits. So now I'm trying it again. This time at a break of a recent wick low. So now price drops, hits my order, and then this is the actual drop that I should have waited for. I get to break even, then I'm still trading some profits as we approach the support. Now notice something very interesting in this trade, right? So here I'm about 0.4 R locked into profit. Now I'm at now I'm a whole 1 R into profit. And then I immediately switch into a long. Why did I do this? Because I'm looking at a double bottom, and I'm also looking at a regular bullish divergence format. However, again, I just rushed into this trade, no full setup. I should have put my order at a break of this highs like I'm doing it now. But since I didn't do that, I got stopped there. Now I'm retrying. Price hits break of highs, hits my order, and again I get stopped out. I feel like there's some support here. I'm being very stubborn though. I went in with a buy limit, which I never do. Price made an initial push and then hits some break even. Breaks the low by trying to get insured. That's another break even. Now I got the final push higher, and here's when I finally get rewarded after taking all those losses. So just to make for the count, just took 1, 2 losses, then a break even to then get a 3 to 1 take profit on that one. So I'm taking 3 after losing 2, so I'm actually up 1 R. Guess what? This is all the perfect chance to get out of this trade. Which I'm being, I'm already throwing trades, so like you can see yourself, I'm already just throwing random trades. So I'm not in a good mood. I'm already at profit. So this is where I ideally should have stopped out, but I didn't. So now I am trying to get along, see how to break of highs near resistance level. Didn't work, so I get stopped out. Price rejects and drops, so I try to get in short. Price move only enough to make me hit a break even, which is not what I need right now. But then again, I'm gonna get a bunch of them. I'll try another long at a break of highs, another break even, another break long at a break of highs. Now it's a loss. So I'm down about 1.5, 1.2 R in the session. Not a big loss, but again, a loss anyway. So after all the trades I've been missing and all the break evens, this is where I should have ended the session. So instead of that, I try to get in another break of highs. Break hits my order. My stop shows break even, but it's struggling, so I just get it stopped out. That's my 4th break even on the day. 4 wins, 9 losses. By the way, I don't win any other trades right now, so I already won what I was gonna win in this session. So I am total 18 trades deep, 9 losses, 5 break evens. Keep shorting, going long at a break of highs, but it's just not working for me. Like I think volatility wasn't where it needed it to be at this point. We're probably somewhere in 10 and 9 of the 5-minute ATR. So that's why I think I'm getting those initial fills out of break of highs and stuff, but not enough movement to actually capture a full R. That's when I'm just getting all the break even. And you can see it here. I'm just getting chopped out in this session. But because of all those break even, if you actually notice, like P&L, I'm basically down 2 trades. So despite losing, 9 trades and taking all those break even, the actual loss is minimized, and that is the one thing I consider on the bright side of this video, is that because my strategy is built on such type of risk management, what could be considered one of my worst trading sessions so far, it only put me down like 2 R. Like I only lost 2 trades total. But anyway, I just wanted to share this trading session with you guys. If you like this video, there's more of this coming. Yes, I'm going to be getting in front of the camera. And as you can see, I'm not comfortable with it. I don't like it, but it will make my editing easier. So that's what I'm really going for. Anyway, if you like this video and you'd like to see more coming, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.